everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and all month long I will be sharing slow cooker recipes. And to start off, I will be making a hearty chicken chili. So if you like slow cooker recipes, subscribe and keep watching. Welcome back. So the first thing I'm doing right now is heating up a large fry pan on medium, and I'm not going to add any oil. I'm going to directly just add my ground chicken. Now you can use any type of ground meat that you want or even leave it out, but it'll alter the taste. So I am relying on the fat that's rendered from the ground chicken to cook the onions. Okay, and then I also have about 4 cloves of garlic that I've already minced up, so I'm gonna add that in as well. And then mix it up until you no longer see any pink from the ground chicken. Oh, and then also I have some salt and pepper that I'm gonna add in. All right, so this looks good. There's no more pink. I'm going to add 1 bell pepper diced up, and you're just going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes before moving on to the next step. All right, so my meat and my bell peppers, everything is cooked. I dumped it in my slow cooker. You need about 3.5 quart slow cooker at the least. If you have a bigger one, that's even better. And now I'm just gonna dump the rest of the ingredients. So I have some black beans and some kidney beans, a can of each that I'm gonna dump. And then I also have some, this is diced green chilies that you can find at Trader Joe's or anywhere. And then I've got some diced tomatoes, some tomato sauce. All right, and now for the last bit are some spices. So I've got some paprika, chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and a little bit of onions. And then I've got about 3 bay leaves. And I'm just gonna dump all this in, give it a quick mix around. Okay, so that looks perfect, all mixed together. So now what you're gonna do is just put a lid on this and have it on high for 5 hours. Or if you want, you can put it on low for 6 to 8 hours. It all depends on how much time you have. And I didn't add any more salt than from just the beginning because I like to just taste it at the end and add salt if needed then. So I'll show you when it's all done. All right, guys, it's been 5 hours and it's been warming for another hour and we are done. So look at this. Let me show you guys. Yum, nice and creamy. That looks so good. All right, guys. I need to taste test. Let me walk you through some of the toppings that we have. So I've got some onions that I diced up, some cilantro, jalapeno. You can top it off with a little bit of chips, sour cream, and then cheese, of course. So, got myself a bowl. Yum. Oh, so good. All right, and I already tasted it a little bit for salt and pepper, but you always want to go back and taste it. So, all right, you know, all I'm gonna do is probably just a little bit of jalapeno, a little bit of sour cream, some cheese, and then I'm just gonna, yum. All right, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, first bite. Oh my gosh. Hands down, the best chili I've made ever. So good. You guys have to try this out. It's so easy. Dump everything in a slow cooker and ready to go. So if you like slow cooker recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully bound. First thing you're gonna wanna do is to cook your ground chicken. Hold on. Hi Stop it!